Do you want to mirror your iPhone to a TV? Then you are at the right place. We have got all the details on it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Mirror iPhone to TV from Control Center. Connect your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple TV, AirPlay compatible Smart TV or Mac 2. Now open the Control Center on iPhone X or later, or with iPad OS 13 or later, swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen. On iPhone 8 or earlier or iOS 11 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen. Tap the screen mirroring button. Select your TV or Mac from the list. Available devices appear for selection under screen mirroring. If an AirPlay passcode appears on your TV screen or Mac, enter the passcode on your iPhone or iPad. To stop mirroring your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then tap Stop Mirroring, or press the menu button on your Apple TV remote. Some video apps may not support AirPlay. If you can't use AirPlay with a video app, check the App Store on your Apple TV to see if that app is available. Method 2. Use an adapter or cable to mirror your iPhone to a TV. If you don't have an Apple TV, you can still mirror your iPhone to your TV. For this, you will need a cable. Sometimes you might also need an adapter to connect the cable to your iPhone. The specific adapter you need will depend on the model iPhone you are using, as well as the available connections you have on your TV. Most commonly, that will be an HDMI connection, but older TVs may require a VGA adapter instead. Once you have the appropriate cable and adapter, all you need to do is connect your iPhone to your TV. You might need to change the TV input manually if it doesn't automatically detect the active device. Once you see your iPhone screen on the TV, this means that it's successfully mirrored. When using this method, you will get an exact duplicate of your iPhone screen on your television. So if you are trying to watch a movie from your iPhone on your TV, the image might not be full screen. Method 3. Use an app to mirror your iPhone to a TV. Other streaming devices can mirror an iPhone to a TV, like the Roku, Chromecast, and Amazon Fire devices. To use Chromecast with your iPhone, you will use the Google Home app to link compatible platforms. Once you have set it up, it will work similarly to AirPlay. You need to choose the cast icon from the app and select Chromecast. Amazon Fire devices will need a separate app like AirScreen to let you mirror your iPhone. All you need to do is download the app to your Fire Stick. AirScreen works with a variety of platforms including Chromecast and AirPlay, so this can be a good option. And there you have it, the 3 methods to mirror your iPhone to a TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more games, tech tips, and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you mirror your iPhone to the TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.